Hey there, it's Daniel from TheGooDocs.com, where you can get free Google Docs templates and guides. In this video, we'll touch on the document creation on the Google Docs. First of all, of course, you have to have a Google account. If you do, head to any of your common Google services website. Simply TheGoogle.com, a Gmail, or straight to Google Drive, since the document is created on your personal Google Drive account. On the Google.com, you go to the right top corner to this button with lots of gray dots and press it. That opens a Google Apps window, and here you locate such a Docs icon. It may be lower in here, so just scroll down till you find it and press it. You are redirected to the docs.google.com, which is a workspace for Google Document Service. Here, you drag a cursor to this plus icon and the blank description below it, and press it. Now here you go, a new blank Google document is created for you and you can start working with it. I recommend naming it first so you can easily find it afterwards, which will be a demo for me. Option number 2 begins when you are already on your Google Drive page. From here, press the left mouse in any empty space and select Google Docs in a drop-down menu. Here you are in front of your newly created empty document. Then, after you're done working with it and have closed the document, one moment you may need to return to it. For that, you go to Google.com or Gmail, press this dots icon, locate and select the Drive icon here, and press it. Or you go straight to the drive.google.com website. That opens the homepage of your Drive, and the last item here, in Suggested and Files fields, will be your newly created document that you can open with double mouse click and keep working on it. Hundreds more guides and a lot of free Google Docs templates on TheGooDocs.com following the link below the video. Like to help share our videos to more people and subscribe to see more guides. I hope we helped you. Thank you for watching.